And now for the ladies part, she starts with a basic side rock step and cha-cha-cha and goes into a rock step. Now from here, she's going to be doing what we call a half moon. And the idea is, by the time Melina finishes her next cha-cha-cha into the rock step, she's stepping with her left foot back and she's stepping the opposite direction. So here we go, she's done a rock step, cha-cha-cha, now left foot back. And now she retraces her steps, cha-cha, right foot back, and cha-cha-cha, and we'll just have her do this a couple times, cha-cha-cha, rock step. So you can see she's just following the same track in and out, and cha-cha-cha. Now from here, we're going to lead the lady again into an underarm turn, so she just steps side together side, cha-cha-cha, on ladies underarm turn, rock step, and cha-cha-cha, rock step. So we're going to show this now, slowly. We'll start with our basic 1, 2, 3, and cha-cha-cha. Now from here we're going into an open break. An open break means we're stepping opposite to one another, but I still have connection in my hand. From here I'm going to bring my left hand underneath my chin, indicating to the lady that I want her to step across or underneath, cha-cha-cha. So it's the rock step, cha-cha-cha, rock step, cha-cha-cha. Now from here, as I mentioned, gentleman steps left foot forward, rock step, leading the lady, cha-cha-cha, into an underarm turn and finishing cha-cha-cha. We'll do this from another angle. And 1, 2, 3, open break, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, rock step, 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 and cha-cha-cha. And now we'll do the pattern with arm styling. 1, 2, 3, open break, rock step. Lady brings the arm up and out, and up and out. Finish underarm rock step and cha-cha-cha rock step.